This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact Persona 3 release and patch level. Differences matter for fixes. Next, back up your save to an alternate slot and external media so you can revert if needed. Then restart the console or PC and clear temporary cache. This removes corrupted memory states that mimic serious bugs. Once done, load the backup and reproduce the command room issue to ensure you're working from a repeatable state before applying target. You now perform the complex repair steps. First, run the game in compatibility mode or install a reputable community patch when an official update doesn't exist, because these often fix command room scripts. If files are suspect, verify integrity through the platform or reinstall just the affected assets to avoid a full reinstall. For persistent state errors, use a save editor to correct the command room flags. Only change values you understand, since wrong edits can work. Finish by testing the command room sequence several times to confirm the issue is resolved. Iterative checks catch intermittent failures. If corruption appears worse, restore your backup and document what you tried so you can avoid repeating mistakes. If the problem persists, reproduce it with logs or screenshots and share precise steps with the community or modder team. That evidence often leads to the only way fix others can replicate and patch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.